export Word to PDF instantly with one keyboard shortcut. We used to do it this way. It use a lot of time. Now we will try a new way. Just like this, we need to make a settings to create PDF with one click on shortcut. Let's start the video. First, open Microsoft Office and then click on the File option. You will see the option a little below. Click here. Then select Quick Access toolbar. Select the All command option from the Choose command from. Then find Publish as PDF. Select Publish as PDF and click Add. After the option is added, you will count from the above how many number your PDF option is. My PDF option is number 5. Then click OK. Now to convert it to PDF, press Alt plus the number of your PDF from your keyboard. For example, I would press Alt plus 5. Hope you understand. I have a request. If you are new to channel, please subscribe and stay with us. Thanks for watching.